Hello, guys. I hope you are all doing great. In this video, we will learn about bad manners and good manners through two girls. First, we will meet Mary. She is rude to her parents and relatives, and she does not help others. Let's see her story. Mary woke up late for school and rushed to wash her face. Her mother offered breakfast, but Mary said, "Stop bothering me," and left without saying goodbye. After school, Mary's mother asked for help cooking. Mary said, "That's your work," and left to meet her friends. Mary insulted her mother, went outside, and saw boys waiting in a car. Her mother followed and warned her, but Mary pushed her away and left with them. This was Mary's bad behavior. Now, let's see Sandrella's good behavior. When Sandrella saw her mother busy cooking, she helped her make dinner and tea. She also helped her father set the dining table. After that, Sandrella saw her elderly neighbor carrying heavy bags, so she helped carry them home. The next day at school, Sandrella helped a boy pick up his books and made him smile. So here are 3 lessons we learned from this short video. The 3 main morals are: respect your parents, help others whenever you can. For last main moral number 3, please tell me your answer in the comments. I hope you learned some good manners and useful things from my video. If you liked my hard work, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Your support motivates me to make more interesting and educational videos. Goodbye.